Hey, thanks for stopping in. Well, I'm kind of wanting something to snack on, and I'm wanting cookies, and I just looked in the cupboard, didn't find any. So I'm gonna whip some up real quick. You want to see how I do it? If you do, stick around. All right, the first thing we're going to do is 2 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking soda, sift it all together. Oh, for those that you don't know, only use this for flour and never wash it. Same if you have one of these. Only use it for flour, never wash it. Alright, in this bowl we're going to put a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, our 2 eggs, our butter, and our vanilla extract. At this point in time we need to preheat the oven. Put our butter in there while we're at it to get it soft. Alright, I just pulled the butter out of the oven. It's pretty close to melted. It's soft enough to do what we got to do. So it's time to mix in our half a cup of regular sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. When you're measuring your brown sugar, it's always a level packed cup, or whatever measurement you're doing, but level and packed. And for your flour, it's usually sifted. We're going to do a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs. We're going to go ahead and put this down and start mixing. After the 2 eggs, we're going to put in our 3/4 cups of melted butter, almost an entire pack of chocolate chips. We need to save some out for the very end. That was 3/4 of a cup. Time to add almost an entire bag. All right, I kept just a little corner. As you can see, it's rather dry, easy to work with. Now we put them in the oven at 325 for about 15 minutes. Now we wait. Well, there's how the first batch showed up. I'll let you see what the rest of it ends up like. One of the best things about making cookies is you get to eat the leftover cookie dough. Well, here's what we ended up with.